in today's episode, y'all, I make apple walnut cranberry salad. You're gonna need 50-50 blend salad, onion, apple, grilled chicken, dried cranberries, feta cheese, walnuts, and raspberry vinaigrette. First, you add the salad. Now let's add onions. We're going to add walnuts. Now let's add dried cranberries. Now let's add feta cheese. I'm going to add honeybee apple. I like them because they're juicy. Now we're going to add chicken. Also, I like mine with a lot of chicken. We're going to add the raspberry vinaigrette. Voila! Our salad is ready. Now for the taste test. And also, this is my mom. My nice mom.
Thank you, Ava. Let's try your salad. Yummy. I love it. So yummy. Oh my goodness. This is one of my favorite ones. I love the taste. Thank you. So tasty.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. Also, today's shout out goes to and Diomar. Thank you for watching my videos. And also, make sure to have notifications on. And also, more chef videos coming soon.